Eva, come crack my back.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Eva. Oh, they pulled a muscle or something. Do it again. Like, pop it back in place. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh. Eva.
I'm so sorry.
Guess what?
What?
Spaghetti.
Oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't make that cracking sound.